This one feature lets you bend your sticks on Canva so you can create the walk cycle. There are 6 poses that you need to learn. Once you master these, you just press repeat and then the guy walks. Start by opening a landscape video and name it whatever you want to name it. You're ideally going to create 6 slides that are going to help this animation of ours move. So let's quickly create the guy. He's going to be black because I'm black. And then we press R for rectangle to create his body. You can change the shape to rounded. And then you press L to create the arm. You make the arm nice and thick. This is the feature I promised you. You go to line type and you pick curved. The curved will allow you to bend and make all sorts of shape that's going to allow your stickman to have different poses. The line type has straight and elbowed. So you could also use elbowed whenever you're designing. But for our design today, we're going to be using the curved line so that it takes the shape when we animate. So then you add it to our stickman. Then I duplicate my page. So let's just hide the timings. And then I duplicate this page. On my second page, my second frame, I just move him slightly. And then we change the position. So using the curved, you move your mouse and you click on top of the point. That will allow you to bend the shape to whichever shape you want. And we duplicate the slide. And slide number 3, we move him a bit to the third pose. Using the same method of bending your arm and your legs, you create all of the 6 slides with the different walking cycle. That's all you do. I wanted to show you with a nice image at the background of beautiful aesthetic. And then let me show you the timing. And then that's pretty much it. So the pose that starts, we've created together. You just move it along using that line. And the last pose, he's almost out of the frame. Then you time it with 1 second. And then you go to your grid. You select everything, you duplicate. And you duplicate. And you duplicate until you get a nice walking man video that you can download. Then you can go to your preview and then you can have a look at your stickman walking in and out of your screen. That's how you learn to create the walk cycle with those 6 shots that you adjust for your animation. If you enjoy animation, go to our course. We have it for you. You can start by clicking on the link in the description if you've never used Canva. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you with our next video.